What if I told you that while you're watching this video, some people are literally making money right now without lifting a finger? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, passive income isn't about doing nothing. It's about working smart once and earning forever. And stay till the end, because I'll reveal the number one passive income idea that can realistically bring you up to $150 a day, even if you start from zero. Welcome to the channel, where we talk about money, investing, and financial freedom in ways schools never taught us. Whether you're a student, an employee, or a parent looking for more freedom, passive income is your ticket to a life where time matters more than salary. So grab a coffee, and let's explore the realistic ways you can build streams of income that work while you rest. Do you own dividend stocks and ETFs? This is the classic. You invest in strong companies or ETFs that pay dividends, usually between 3% to 7% per year. Example, if you invest $10,000 in a 5% dividend ETF, you earn $500 per year, or about $137 per day, without doing anything. Pros: stable, low effort, can grow with reinvestment. Cons: needs initial capital and patience, not for quick wins. 3. Real estate crowdfunding. You don't need to buy a house to earn from property. With crowdfunding platforms, you can invest small amounts, sometimes starting from $100, into real estate projects. Annual returns range between 6% and 10%. Pros: diversified exposure, no tenant headaches. Cons: risk of project failure, funds often locked for months. 4. Create an online course or ebook. Do you know something others don't? Turn it into a course or ebook. It takes effort at the beginning: writing, recording, editing. But once it's live, it can generate $10 or 100 plugs a day, depending on your niche. Pros: scalable and creative. Cons: time-consuming at the start, requires marketing. 5. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products you love and earn a commission when people buy through your link. With a blog, YouTube channel, or even social media, you can earn $50 to $500 a month easily after setup. Pros: no product needed, passive after setup. Cons: needs consistent traffic and credibility. Print on demand and digital product. Sites like Redbubble, Etsy, or Gumroad allow you to upload designs, art, or templates once and earn every time someone buys. Income range from $5 a day for starters up to 100 plus for successful creators. Pros: passive, creative. Cons: competitive. You need quality and patience. 7. Peer-to-peer lending. You lend money to verified borrowers via platforms and earn interest, typically 6 to 12% annually. Pros: fully online, decent returns. Cons: risk of borrower default, not insured like bank deposits. The secret number 1: building a personal brand. Here's the number 1 most powerful passive income idea: build a personal brand. Because once you build an audience, your name becomes your greatest asset. You can monetize through ads, sponsorships, courses, and affiliate links. Some creators earn $150 and $500 per day, even while on vacation. Pros: infinite growth potential, builds long-term trust. Cons: needs consistency and authenticity, but the rewards are life-changing. Remember, passive income isn't about doing nothing. It's about building something that keeps paying you back. Start small, be consistent. Let your effort compound. And before you rush to buy expensive things to look rich, watch my next video. 7. Things you shouldn't buy if you want to become rich. Trust me, that one might save you thousands. I'm Solbath, helping you grow, invest, and live smarter. See you in the next video.